everybody. I am back because I really wanted to review my Wild Thing Glossybox for May. Look how cute it is. It's got little paw prints in there. I love the Glossybox boxes, and this one is exceptionally pretty this month. So there were two box styles this month. We got the, looks like the panther cat one, and then we got a zebra one. And I have no idea what's in here, but I just really wanted to open this one. Check it out. It's got gold. I haven't even peeked at it, so it's going to be kind of fun to open. So let's see what is in here. Glossybox, I paid $58 for 3 months, so it's under $20 a month. They're kind of hit or miss sometimes. I wasn't super crazy about last month, so I kind of debated renewing, but I had already renewed by accident, so I'm in for another 2 months. Love the paper. gotta get you excited about something. The paper. So we got 5 products. Let me get, okay. Glossybox's cheat sheets always make me crazy because the product doesn't always line up with the writing, and then you gotta kind of look at it. So the first thing we got was an Ico Eyeliner. You know me and eyeliner. I don't do eyeliner. This will go in my eyeliner box. I do gift these off to college students in my life, relatives and stuff. This one is a $22 value, so that's going to be a gift whenever I get out of the house. Next up, we have the Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. That looks kind of interesting. This is a $14 value. Wow, that is strong. Holy moly, that's a cleansing balm? That's kind of interesting because it's like super strong. Rose and mimosa wax. I am not sure that I would like a waxy cleansing balm. I don't know. I have combination bordering on oily skin, even at 50, so that might be a little too oily for me. Next up, we got one mask. It looks like there were a choice of charcoal, aloe vera, and rose. Of course, I got the rose one. How funny. This was a $6.99 value, and this is Cbd Rose Facemask. It says Active Botanicals. I don't know if this is the brand or what. It's kind of not too interesting for me. The two things that I'm interested in this box I'm seeing are the Bella Pierre. This is the Antique Pink Kiss Proof Lip Cream. This actually looks kind of interesting. This is a, I was going to say 30, it's a $20 value. This is not easy to read, you guys. This is tiny writing. And when you're over 50, it gets harder to read. Let's see. This is super pretty. This is like an antique pink, literally. So this is like a lippy. Oh, it smells like berries. So this is kind of a matte. Anytime I wear a matte type of lip product, I always put gloss over it. I do like the Jeffree Star, the gloss on my lips over a matte lip gloss. Did you see he has a new palette? It's called Cremated, I believe. I just watched the video this morning. I'm thinking about getting it if I can get one. They're going to sell out fast, but it's all silver. I love silver eyeshadow, so I'm really fascinated by that. Next, the final thing, we got the Steve Laurent. It matches the box. Check it out. This came in a zebra pattern too, I noticed. Eyeshadow palette. Retail value is, of course I can't see, $38. Holy cow, that seems a lot for this tiny little palette. However, let me see, especially it's made in China, it's $38. Holy moly, that seems high. And it's tiny. This is definitely not a $38 palette for me, you guys. Holy cow. The Jeffree Star new cremated palette, I think it's going to be $58. That's only $20 more. And look, I don't know about this. I don't mind. I've used Steve Laurent before. I don't mind this brand. It's pretty, but it drives me nuts when the beauty subscription boxes have these, I don't know, I want to go to the Steve Laurent website really quick because I just want to see. I mean, I can't imagine anyone would pay $38 for a tiny, tiny palette like that, especially when we have so many choices. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's the Wild Thing eyeshadow palette. It is $40 on his website. And it's funny because the back of it, the writing's even worn off. It's not even that, like, this isn't even like a quality palette. Holy moly, interesting. Yeah, $40. I cannot imagine that they are selling these for $40. That is shocking. Shocking to me. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm kind of on this box now. I thought maybe I would like this box a little bit better because I like the pattern. It's very pretty. The box is pretty, but they didn't take the theme through to the palette. The palette's just a plain old black palette, and there is no way this is worth $38. So, I think the thing that I like the most is the Bella Pierre Lippy, although I would never pay $30 for a Lippy. That's why I get the beauty boxes. So, overall, this is kind of an box for me this month. Like I said, Glossybox is always hit or miss for me. Sometimes I'll get Glossybox and I'll really like it. Other times, like this month, I'll kind of go, it's not that good. I'll probably end up canceling for the summer. I have 2 more boxes coming, I think. Honestly, I like the box the best. That is so funny. So if you got this one, let me know what you think of the Wild Thing. Is it Wild Thing? Yes, Wild Thing Glossybox this month. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.